Hello, my little sugar plum fairies, and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and if you're new here, I love nails. I love wearing nails. I love doing nails. I love sharing my nail journey with you, and that's what we're doing today, putting a set on myself. I've already put these on. I did not include that footage with this video. I'm going to do a little short and share it here as a short and on my TikTok, so definitely keep a watch out for that. And if you haven't already, there's a button down there. It says the word subscribe. Go ahead and hit that. It'll make my life so much happier, and yours too, because all we do are fun things here. That's it. That's all we do is fun things. So if you like fun things, click it, click it, click it. So we're using the LanFo polish. This is the polish, one of the colors of polish that are included in the giveaway. If you've not already entered that, there is still time. You have until Sunday to enter that contest. Good luck to everyone who's already entered. You guys are awesome. Now I'm going to come in with some white polish. I actually got this. I didn't do a haul because I only picked up a couple things. I needed some new tips, which have already been on the channel, and I'm out of white polish, or I was, and so I grabbed some. Guys, this is the messiest polishing job I've done in a long time. I'm not sure what my problem was. I skipped all the cleanup parts, but trust me, there was some cleanup because I was messy. My anxiety's been a little high, so maybe I was just a little shakier than usual. So now we're going to take the colors we've already painted, as well as a couple of others, and dot them down on this little palette. And then we're going to play around on my nails. Guys, I was so on the fence. I didn't know what I wanted to do. And so I just thought, it's been a minute since I've done a polish style of marble, blah, 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 marble. So I decided, why not? I saw one. I don't even remember where, guys. I didn't save it. I don't know the artist that did it, but they had black and yellow and gold and all kinds of other colors, and I was really responding to the black and yellow and gold together. Now, I didn't go gold. I went silver. And this isn't black. It's that purple. It's the dark, dark, dark purple from the LanFo collection. So, I like it though. I like how purple and yellow go together naturally. They're opposites on the color wheel, so they're a perfect match for each other, a contrast match. And I like silver. So, and I've been using gold a lot lately, so I just decided to switch it up and do silver. And this is what I came up with. And I almost didn't marble the dark nails, but the idea of marbling white on top of the purple really called to me, so that's why I ended up doing that. And you're gonna see here, I'm just gonna go ahead and run through run through all the marbles. This one in particular right here, I thought it kind of looks like the veins in your eye. I hope that doesn't creep anybody out, but to me it kind of looks like, you know, when you're watching a movie and they get really up close to somebody's eye and you can see the little veins. That's what this one in particular looked like. And when you look at real marble stone, a lot of times you get that sort of vein. That's why they're called veins. You get that veiny consistency. So I just really loved how this nail in particular, how the veining came out. Actually, I like them all. They all have their own special flair and flavor. I made sure everyone had its own differences. And the only thing that I'm doing is putting down, I didn't even mention this in the beginning, which I did show it, but I didn't say it. I'm layering this down on top of a base coat because that allows the polish to spread. There are other ways you can do this. You can lay down polish in the places that you want, gel polish, and then use acetone to disperse it into little veins and lines. And that is a very gorgeous look. It just wasn't the look I was going for today. I wanted heavier lines and more substantial marbling. But if you're going for a more delicate look, I highly recommend the acetone look. But don't, you want the tiniest bit on your brush. Otherwise, you'll flood the nail and you'll completely lose your polish. If you'd like to see me do something like that, let me know. We can do that, no problem, and incorporate that into another look. It's a really, really effective way to marble. And we are almost done. This is the 4th nail that we have marbled. I really love how this one came out. All of them. I like how all of them came out. Honestly, they're so cute. They're cuter than I expected them to be. And honestly, I'm not sure how long I'll wear this. I already feel my heart gravitating to some more stuff, but that's the beauty of having a whole bunch of nail stuff sitting right next to me. I can change my nails whenever I want. And I do have no nails, as I'm recording this voiceover, no nails on my right hand. So an adventure of non-dom is probably coming next week. I have something else in mind for Friday. So definitely come back. You're going to want to see all of it. You're going to want to see it all. The thumb is my favorite, you guys. I love every single nail, but the way the thumb came out, as I laid down the white, my whole heart just went, oh, I love this. And I do. Everything I added to it just made me so happy. I love how all of the colors vein together. Gives me so much joy. Now it's time for top coat. I had a little too much on there, so I put it over on the other nail, which is the next nail to get top coat anyway. Let me know in the comment section below how you think I did on this set. I think I did a pretty good job. I struggled a little bit just because my inspiration has not been there, you guys. And I know that inspiration follows action. So my plan to fix that is to just do as many nails as I can in the next few days to sort of stoke the creative juices, so to speak. And I'm very excited about the idea of that. Oh, I really love this thumbnail. Guys, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Also, while you're down there, if there's something you'd like to see me tackle or try, or a trend out there that you would like to see a tutorial on, please let me know. I would love to do that for you. And we will see you here on Friday for another fun video. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Yeah.